Hi guys, today I've got this easy messy updo for medium to long hair. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and then we're just going to take the top section of hair from about the end of the eyebrows, and then we're just going to secure this at the back of the head with a clear elastic band. Pinch and pull at the hair for a little bit more messy volume. Next, we're just going to make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Grab the ponytail and start pulling it through the hole, but make sure you don't pull it all the way through. Leave yourself a little loop, and then all we're going to do is spread this out and pin it to the head with a few bobby pins. I like to slip one on each side and one through the middle. Next, apply some texture spray. Again, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then pinch and pull that little loop to give it more texture. Now we're going to take another section of hair, the same thickness, and again tie this at the back of the head. Create a hole with your fingers and pass your ponytail to the fingers and pull it almost all the way through, leaving yourself another little loop. Now all we're going to do again is bring this up to the previous loop and use your fingers to spread out those edges. Then once again, just secure it with a few bobby pins. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull. And we're going to do 4 of these little buns all together. So take your third section, again pop it into a clear elastic band to form a ponytail. Make your hole and pass the end of the ponytail through the hole, making sure you hold on to the loop so you don't pull it all the way through. Fan out those edges and secure to the head with a few bobby pins. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull. Gather the remaining hair into another ponytail and repeat the same steps as before. So make your hole, pull the ends through. Make sure you hold on to the middle bit, your little loop. Now we're just going to spread it out and pin it to the head. Apply your texture spray and then just pinch and pull to match the rest of the hair. On this last little bit of hair, we're just going to attach another clear elastic band and only pull the ends part way through to create another little loop. Pull this apart and then just push it up under that last little ponytail we did and secure with a few bobby pins. And to finish it off, we just want to get rid of those little tail ends, so I'm just going to open a bobby pin, wrap it all the way around, and then just roll it up and then pin it to the head underneath those little buns. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.